Alright. Time to party. Nah. This game does not feel like a party. It's more just like hell for me. Because everybody's stupid. In balance boat. Which is what we're gonna be playing. Alright. Balance boat. Yep. Hoopster. And we're... No. I don't want to play with Lucia again. Oh my god. Marisa. Marisa. I do not like her. Oh, we'll play her. I guess. She's a scary bee. And she's really ugly too. Marisa. Bro, she'll snatch your frickin' soul. Okay, first minigame. Oh god. I didn't win this one when I played with Matt. Oh, okay, great. Now this is wonderful. Oh my god, Marisa, stop speedrunning. Okay. This is awful. I hate this. Marisa, stop speedrunning! This is not a speedrun. Boing. Like my willy. No, get on the... Get on the... Oh my god. I absolutely hate this frickin' seesaw part of the thing. So I never know where to go. Oh wow. Now I have to go. No. Stop it. Okay. Finally made it past this part. We'll just I'm speedrunning, bitch. No, I'm Oh. No. Why? It's not giving me the prompt to oh. I'm doing it as fast as I can. There we go. We only had 3 seconds left. And we get all the boobs and money. What was that first part? Yeah, we get all the boobs, money, and girls in the world. Okay. Oh god, it's Elisa. I don't like Elisa. Yes. Perfecto.
Balance.
Oh god, the bobsled game. The Bobby Sleddy gamey.
Start.
It's gotta be the worst one. Nope, go to the... Nope, go to the... yes. Then go to this one. Nope, but then we stay in it. Okay, nice. Stay in the lane. And change! Oh, motherfucker. Oh my... Oh my god! Oh my god! Why? Little bitch decided... No, we're not getting the last, like, 4 boosts. We're just gonna be slow. Well, guess what, Marisa? I eat speed for breakfast. I swear. Oh my. Wait, no! Shit. I meant to place him on the frickin' other side. Oh god. Every time someone walks in on, like, someone shitting, like, they always frickin' walk in on me shitting, walk in on... Oh my... Nope. This one. Oh, it's the... Marisa, please. Don't snatch my soul, Marissa. I didn't even get past the first one, okay? This one. Oh no! I walked in on you pooping! We didn't even get...
Time's up.
I didn't even get to the second one. That minigame sucks so much. Like, I don't know why it sucks so much cock. Like, it sucks up and down my butthole. Well, now I get fatty. Fat afro. Don't. Okay. Good. Good. Balance.
Balance.
Whew. Risky. Very risky. Okay, this one, I don't like the fact that, like, there's no fuel limitations in this minigame.
Start.
So they just go like this. Like, look at her. Stupid ass. Bonk. Ow! 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 Give me a break! Ooh. Come on. Fucking hitboxes are more massive than my cock. Marissa, go to the left! Marissa, go to the motherfucking right. Then the left. We're almost there! Why did she just... Oh, shit. Ah!
Time's up.
We were there! Oh, okay. I hate the fact that Marissa... Oh, wow. She's gonna place it right here. She's gonna place it right here. Wow. Wow. Great. What? Furry fighters. They fight over the hottest furry wiener. The hottest furry. Oh god. No, no, oh my god.
Start.
That's really weird. I thought you were playing a Roblox game. Okay, go. Oh my god. I don't understand why some me's are fatter than others, like on this minigame. Like, I was playing with Sia last time, and she just tipped the entire thing over. We were on, like, the same side. I don't know, maybe she's Queso's, like, daughter or something. Yeah, she has fat- No! Damn it! I hate my stupid D-pad. I like the D-pad on the freaking PS3 controller. It's better than this crap. I have a PS3 controller somewhere. Where is it? I can't find my PS3 controller. Oh well, we don't need it right now. We're playing a Weenus game. Okay. Oh my fucking god, dude. Wait! Okay, good. Perfect balance.
Balance.
Okay, now we're at 10. Equal balance. Okie dokie artichoke. Oh. God. Jeez, man. I just do not like this minigame. No, wait, no! Oh yeah, just... Okay. Don't fucking throw the banana to me. And then boop, and then boop. Oh, I'm gaming! No! Shit. Oh my. Oh, we got like 31 points. That is actually good. That came in really fun. Okay. Don't Tippy Wiener McPenis. Okay, we're good. Oh, Jesus. Do you not like this minigame? Okay. Yeah, go there. No. No! No! Kill you, rat. Mutilate you. And Marissa is just chasing the rat infinitely. Woo! We had it! God, this maze needs to be like freaking. Okay! I want to freaking shove this weird mouth up my asshole. I don't like getting in the ass! Oh, I'm Peter Griffin. He's obviously gonna. No, put it on the other side, you idiot! Wow, now we're tipping the other side. Great, Peter Griffin. You're so fat. You're so. I hate you. And fuck me, wee. Why don't you just look at my butthole and fuck me, wee? Okay, 300 yards. No, I'm trying to jerk it off. Now jerk it off, jerk it off. Jerk. I don't know why Marissa goes when I want to. Okay, we're doing good. Oh, seriously. Missed that one. I have no idea how the heart system in this minigame works. It's so weird. Ballsack extension! What? We were right under! Okay, you know what? Fuck you, Marissa. I fucking hate you. You fucking bitch. Eat my asshole. Loop in my butthole and fuck me. Don't, I swear, if you place him on the... Good. Good. Good, yes. No! Why are you so fat? I hate you, Marissa. That's enough. That is enough for today. I'm just gonna play, friend connection, maybe? Oh, wow. No, it requires 2 players. I'm just gonna play, we'll play like one minigame. And then, standard. Whatever. We'll do 1 versus 3. Okay, this one I like a lot. Wait, it's me versus all of them? This is the last thing to do for this. Nick, I'm... Oh! Oh, Luca! Bye-bye! Oh, you are a serious jiggle ball. Bye-bye!